So we have a new product at Savvy Skin. It is the, can you see this? It's a cucumber cream cleanser. Some of you may have noticed me using it in the treatment room. It is essentially a cream cleanser. So it has green tea, it has safflower oil, and it has cucumber in it. It smells amazing. But who is this product for? It is for my dry people. If you are dry, if you have rosacea, if you have dermatitis, or you have a skin type that has dermatitis, or you are a acne client, I know this sounds kind of crazy, and your skin is super stripped from you using all the drying products, you could essentially use the cucumber in the morning to help get that skin nice and balanced. So you're going to apply it to the surface of the skin, add water, massage it in, and then remove it. So why would somebody use this product? Because you're lacking natural oils and lipids on the surface of the skin, and we don't want to strip any of that. We want to make your skin nice and healthy and supple. And so what that cream cleanser is going to do is it's going to help prevent those oils and preserve everything and balance and hydrate your skin, especially leading up to this very dry season. So again, if you're somebody who has rosacea, that really red skin that's dry, or you have dry skin and you're looking for something where your skin is not going to feel really tight, this is actually going to help heal the skin because of the green tea. Or if you have a child or yourself are using lots of active ingredients that are stripping the skin, you need something to balance the active product for something that's calming and healing and going to help fix everything that's going on with the skin. It is a 5-ounce bottle and it retails for $45. Okay, all right, thank you.